Today let's talk about PT. PT is not that tough, but we have made it tough because we do not practice or we want the easiest score. We'll be talking today about speaking section. The speaking section has 5 different subsections, and the overall judging criteria for the speaking is fluency, pronunciation, and the content. And be more focused in fluency rather than the other two things. Other two things are also important, but focus more in fluency. Talking about the read aloud section, focus in fluency, give short and stress, take a pause in comma and in full stop. And do not try to repeat any words. And if you have done any mistakes, just continue with your speech. The second section, the repeat sentence section, we have around 10 to 12 questions in the repeat sentence and it carries a huge weightage. So to practice this section, you need to work in your memory, because first you will be listening, you will be understanding, and you will need to have that memorized in your head so that you can repeat the sentences. So for the smaller or short questions, try to repeat 100%, and for the medium or the long questions, try to repeat at least 70%. And here also focus on your fluency. And the two sections, there has been certain changes made in these two sections, the describe image section and the retail lecture section. I do not use template because the Pearson has said that certain human intervention will be done in this section, so template will not work. Describe image, if you follow a proper practice, then it is easy. You do not need template. So let's talk about retail lecture. In the retail lecture, there will be 1 or 2 questions. Focus in content, focus in grammar, do not just repeat phrases, focus in fluency, do not use template. And the last section, the answer short question, which is generally ignored by the students. My suggestion in this section is that if you practice around 300 to 400 questions, then it is the easiest section. You can get your desired score. So these things you need to consider while practicing the speaking section, and you can increase your marks in reading as well as in listening if you do well in this speaking section. So for any other queries, remember Solus Global Education. Thank you.